purple shirt and it says Bayani Pay. It is because I'm going to do a volunteer job with my sister. Hi! And my brother-in-law, Walter. And we're going to Seafood City.
Seafood City North Hills.
We're going to Seafood City North Hills. And what we're going to do?
At a table.
Kuan kana flyering for Bayani Pay.
Okay, so we'll be giving out flyers for Bayani Pay, money remittance to the Philippines, and I'm telling you, I switched to Bayani Pay. Tell me, what are the advantage of switching to Bayani Pay?
Higher conversion rate, zero remittance fee, and the convenience that you are just at home sending the money through your phone.
See? So even me have switched to Bayani Pay, so you better switch now.
Filipino owned.
Filipino owned. It's a Filipino
100%
owned.
Filipino owned.
Okay, it's 100% Filipino owned, so you are
Really good.
you are in good hands because you know the owner is Filipino and you are supporting Filipinos.
Partnership with Banco de Oro.
Okay, in partnership with Banco de Oro, you can like deposit it direct to your bank, or they can pick it up in any Palawan centers, whatever centers. Ano sa Palawan centers, Ems?
RD and
RD Pawn Shop.
yeah.
RD Pawn Shop. But I'm telling you,
Palawan.
Villarica, Palawan, I switched to Bayani Pay. They have better exchange rate, higher exchange rate than any other. See ya! Seafood City North Hills. It smells so good in here. It smells so good. Everything Filipino food. Oh, so this is the table. It's purple in color too. Di man lagi ni purple, blue man lagi ni. So they have this. Oh, libreng grocery.
Kani lagi ko dito boy ibenta.
So there's like, you will just have to remit 100 and get 100 and send na. Ems, you're done?
Yes, we're done. It's a wrap.
Hi, I'm here and we are they're making a lechon. So imagine we are in the States and we'll be making lechon on our own. So he's putting a lot of iodized salt inside the pork. The pig. Pig pa di ay.
Pork naman siguro na kay meat naman. There's one.
Sa bagay. Yeah, it's pork already.
Kaning duha dad?
How much is the whole how much is the whole pig?
Duha ra?
140.
140? Oh, it's cheaper to make your own then, because if you will buy this from here, if you will purchase this, the roast, if you will purchase that's cooked already lechon here in the States, it costs $400. And if you would be making your own, the whole pork would only cost $140 in Costco. So after the salt is pepper. Oh my gosh, a lot of pepper too. And it's now putting onion. So first again is salt, pepper, a lot of onion and spring onions. Maybe this is a 15 kilo pig.
15, so that's 30
pounds.
30 pounds.
mga 35 pounds.
Unsa man na siya?
35 to 40 pounds.
Unsa ba, garlic powder? Okay, so another secret is the garlic powder.
Di na secret.
Dili na. We're just exposing the secrets. Our secret. Our own version of lechon. Hoy, langay. And three bulbs of onion. Garlic, sorry. 3 bulbs of garlic. And the real secret to lechon is the lemongrass, in which they're already planting here in their backyard. This one really would give the best flavor to the lechon. Oh my gosh, fresh from the garden is the lemongrass. Smile one. Gosh, I can smell the lemongrass. Oh.
Si Mami. Ito si Mami sa mga.
Saan na ba si Mami? One.
Ha?
Saan ba si Mami? Ay, namin si Mami. Hi, me! So the secret is really to put a lot of all spices inside. Best way is to put, instead of the bamboo, they have already this metal thing. Because in the Philippines, we're using bamboo. So you will insert it from the butt of the pig. Then push it all the way to the mouth. So we're now starting to close it. And now, got already the charcoal here. Also, it's not advisable to put a lot of charcoal. So there's only putting one pack.
Because it should be moderate heat.
Yeah, it should be moderate heat.
Otherwise, the outside
so
of
one,
the pig will be cooked. Asin nun din, Dan?
rub it with salt. And my sister is helping this time, doing the charcoal thing, distributing it. She's helping just for maybe a second. We're correct. So my sister is now wiping the lechon because we don't want the oil to drip on the charcoal, and we want it clean. How's your lechon? H, how's your lechon making thing in there?
I'm becoming an expert in this one.
It's done! Our lechon is done. It's time to move it out.
Oh, ay na mo ka, wow.
Ha? Hala, good, wow, good job, good job. Good job, Wal. Hala! Okay na. Crispy. Good.